And that was a little pool. They ended up building up and pushing it all down there.
Come on, Bee. Careful, don't go that way. Come on, let's go. Oh, it's starting to give way on the other side.
Yeah. One stick. You can do it. If it gotten deeper. Once it breaks away, it's going to be too much water flowing through there. It's so cool.
I think it might be giving way too much already underneath.
It's building up. I can see it.
No, it's starting to move. You're right. The whole thing's starting to move.
This is like these humans are starting to tame like simplest things.
There's a worm on that leaf.
Oh, yep. My home is gone. Somebody moved it all. Oh, it's over there.
Look, there's another one.
The front's starting to give way.
Yep,
Yeah.
there it goes.
Power of water cannot be impeded.
There it goes.
I wonder if we took dirt and just compacted it.
It would last a little bit longer, but eventually it would do the same thing.
We could create our own mini waterfall.
Mm-hmm. I love doing that just to watch it get destroyed right away. Something satisfying about watching nature do its thing in fast pace.
Look, you can see how high it's gotten over the years, Drew.
Yeah. It's getting higher on that side still while this side's slowly getting through.
Something just tells me to throw stripe in it.
Sounds like fun.
Look.
Water level's rising. Right there's the leaves.
Mom said she was going to walk across it.
You wanna walk across the girl?
I think it's just letting the perfect amount through.
It'll take it all in a minute. Still backing up on that back side. He wants to poke it with a stick. Trying to let the flow through.
There it goes.
very satisfying, isn't it? If only the dogs understood how great that feeling is.
I know. They're definitely annoyed that we're still sitting here. And the pool is
We're working for
empty.
them, so the least they can do is watch this for us.
It's even more empty than it was before. All right, you right? You gonna get a drink of water? No?
Come on.
You ready to go? Come on, let's go home.